children. Good morning. Good morning, children. How are you? I'm fine. Okay. Children, today we are going to learn about good manners. Okay? My garden of good manners, which is also called golden words. Okay? First is may I. I'll teach you Bantu what are all the golden words, good manners. You have to follow. Okay? Okay, in the ma'am, I will follow in my life. Okay, very good. First is may I. May I means if you are asking permission. Okay, if you are asking anything, what you will say? How will you ask? May I come in, ma'am? You will ask like that. No, if you want to enter into the classroom, isn't it? Or if your daddy working in a room and you have to knock the door, you want to enter the room, how will you ask? May I come in, daddy? May I come in, mom? May I take this? It's a requesting, okay? And next is, see closer, thank you. You have to say thank you whenever you're receiving something. You have to receive in your right hand. You have to receive from your right hand and you have to give something by using this right hand only and say thank you. If you have any birthdays, you are getting birthday and you are inviting someone for the birthday parties and your aunt uncle gift, how will you say? What you will reply? You will say thank you. Thank you auntie, thank you uncle. If someone gives you something, you have to say thank you. And what is this? Welcome. And if any guest are coming to your house, how will you receive your guest or relatives? Welcome auntie, welcome uncle. You can use it in your house functions, okay? And wherever you're going, you can use this, all these golden words, okay? And next is sorry. Very important. Nowadays, children are hesitating to ask sorry. When you will ask sorry, if you do any mistake, okay, if you hurt someone, we will say sorry. So children, you have to be sorry when you do a mistake. Okay? Ask sorry to your parents, to your brothers and sisters. Okay? Say sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I won't do it hereafter. Okay? Like that you can ask your parent. Next is please. So if you want something, if you want to take something, what you will do? You will ask permission. Please help. How will you ask? Please. If you want your brother or sister to take something from one place, how will you ask? Can you please take a glass of water? Please, can you take this video for me? Please. You will ask. No, if you want to requesting to someone, okay, to take this please, I will use it, your eraser, and I will give it to you. Okay. Next is excuse me. So excuse me is if you want to interrupt something. If your mom and dad is talking and you want to interrupt, mama, daddy, listen. No, don't do like that. You have to say please. Wait for your turn. After they finish talking each other, you have to wait and tell, excuse me mommy, I want to tell something to you. Like that you have to tell. If you want to end the work, middle of work, if you want to interrupt, you will use this excuse me word. Goodbye. So after you're going to function and you're meeting your friends and relatives, while you come from the function, well, if you want to go home, what you will say and come? Just simply you will walk and you go to your house. No, you will say goodbye, I'll see you later, I'll catch you later, bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, goodbye. When you wake up early in the morning, what you will say? Good morning. In the afternoon, good afternoon. In the evening, good evening. While going to sleep in the night, good night to your parents. Okay?
Thank you. Please. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Hi children, we are going to see a story now. Okay? See, his name is Rahul. He was a naughty little boy. He was going through a park. There he saw a tall big tree. There was a signboard said, if you want to enter, you have to use the golden word. Okay? Rahul was trying. So Rahul said, abracadabra. Tan 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 taran tan tan. But the tree door was not opened. At last he got tired and fell down on the floor and said, please, tree, open the door. Then finally the tree door got opened. The door got opened. Rahul entered into the tree. It was very dark and there was a signboard said you have to continue the golden words. When Rahul entered inside it was very dark and there was a signboard said continue, carry on with your golden words. Then Rahul said everything was dark except for a sign that said carry on with your golden words. Then Rahul said thank you dear tree. With this the inside of the tree lit up brightly and Rahul saw a big pile of chocolates and toys. He jumped over it and got all the chocolates in his pocket. He jumped over in the chocolate mountain and took all the chocolates and put it in his pocket. And he came out from the tree. Then he met his friends and told everything about the tree. Rahul brought his friends to the tree and they all remember the golden words to use to enter inside the tree. The door of the trunk opened and all the children had a happy time. That is why we say please, thank you as the golden words. Okay? As Rahul used golden words, Bantu, you should also use, then you will get a plenty of chocolates. Okay? Okay, Indu ma'am, I will use the golden words daily, whenever it is required. Okay, children? Now you will see the Rahul story audio visual screen. Okay?
Rahul was a naughty little boy. Abracadabra. Tantara. Para para tintira. Please, dear tree, Thank you, dear tree. Please, dear tree. Thank you, dear tree. We should always use the golden words please and thank you.
All these golden words, take a video and send me through school WhatsApp number. Okay, I'll watch your videos. Bye.